Here I have OPPO A38 and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you should turn your device off by pressing power key plus volume up, then slide power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on, you can see OPPO logo appeared and also this recovery mode sign too. You can release all keys and just wait. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you can operate. You have such options as format data, reboot device and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot device and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.